Alright guys, how's it going? We got a knife here from Olitans. This is my first of their knives, and I bought this on Amazon. There's the numbers there for you. Olitans, design comes from life. Alright, let's take a quick look inside the box. Alright, we've got that bit of foam padding in the top and the bottom of the box there. Came with a little tiny keychain type thing. Box is nice, make a nice gift, and it comes with a cleaning cloth with their logo on there. And here's the knife itself. Now this is, I think, is a little beauty. I like it's smooth all the way around. It feels really nice, and titanium frame lock. And the clip works pretty good. I've had it in my front pocket of my jeans. It even goes in my fifth pocket. So it's a little dinky knife. Flipper tab here. No jimping on the flipper tab, doesn't need it. Pivot screw here is a T8. The other screws are T6. It has one barrel spacer at the back there. It has a lanyard hole, or you put that little keychain thing that it comes with if you want to put it on your keys or something. Use it as a keyring knife. I don't want to do that, although it's sure light enough. It only weighs 1.8 ounces, and the length of it is closed length 3.62 inches, and the blade, let's flip it open. Flips open beautifully. Look at that blade. It's like a spear blade. It's very nice. Right, where's my cleaning cloth? Let's use that, so you're not seeing all my fingerprints. Alright, there we got Olitans written on there. It's a nice flat grind. It feels like it's got a very slight hollow to me. Slight hollow grind. Let's see the blade thickness. It's about a 2mm blade thickness there. Super sharp, super slicey. And take a look at the frame lock there, and there's plenty of access to hit that frame release. Folds nice, beautiful centered blade. Works awesome. Let's have a look inside here. We've got solid titanium handle. No lightning holes or anything in there. Nice little beveled bit goes around there. Nice accent to it. Yeah. And of course T8, T6, D2 steel blade. Beautiful little knife. When I first ordered it, I thought I'm going to take a chance on it for, I think it was 25 bucks, something like that. I thought it looked really cool, but I thought, is it going to be one of those gimmicky kind of knives? But no, real pleased with it. I enjoy flipping it. The action is great, so the only way of opening the knife is the flipper. It has no secondary means of opening. Opens super nice. If I try and fail it, it's real hard to try and fail. Yeah, it just opens awesome. Alright, let's really try. Nope. It just works great, guys. I like this thing. 1.8 ounces. You don't know it's in your pocket. And I kind of paired it up with my little Heizer here. They go nicely together for those of you who like such things, like me, you know. And for those that want to know, this is a .223 caliber. Yep, that's the same ammo you put in your AR-15. Beautiful little made, unusual single shot shoot 9. This thing kicks like a mule. I'll put a little little clip up here of me shooting it. There we go. It is good fun to shoot 223 through this little pistol. Yeah, it is good fun. I like it. Alright, so the video is about the knife, but I think they do look good together. Yeah, awesome paired up. I like to bring these things out every now and then. So that's what this channel was built on firearms, and then we ended up doing a bit of all kinds of things, lots of knives and all kinds of stuff in my videos. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I will put a link down below for this little beauty. $25 on Amazon or thereabouts. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. We'll catch you later.